Welcome back to Financify. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Hyperwallet account. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to official Hyperwallet login page. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon or your name in the top right corner of the screen. Hyperwallet does not provide an option to delete your account directly from the dashboard. Scroll down to find the Support or Contact Us section. Click on Contact Support or Contact Us. In the Support form or Contact option, write a request asking to permanently delete your Hyperwallet account. Be sure to include your account details. Example, I would like to permanently delete my Hyperwallet account. Please process my request. Submit your request. After entering the required details, submit your request. Hyperwallet support team will review your request and send you a confirmation email once the deletion is processed. Once your account is deleted, you will no longer be able to access it. Make sure to download any important data before deletion. And that's it. Your account is now set to be deleted. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Financify for more quick tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.